Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to lock a Slack channel. So let's start. First, open your Slack workspace and navigate to the channel you want to lock. Click on the channel name at the top left corner of the screen, and this will open a pop-up window where you can edit the channel's details. In this pop-up window, click on the Settings tab. In this page, you will see the option Change to a private channel. Click on that. A prompt will appear, then simply click on this Change to Private button to make your channel private. As you can see, the icon beside the channel name changed into a padlock, which means that it successfully became a private channel. Once a channel is set to private, only members of the channel will be able to see and access it. This can be helpful for creating a space for private discussions or for limiting access to sensitive information. It is important to note that only members with the appropriate permissions can lock a channel. If you don't see the option to make the channel private, you may not have the necessary permission to lock the channel. In this case, you'll need to contact the workspace owner or a workspace administrator to request permission to lock the channel. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to lock a Slack channel, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.